It's Margarita, and I am here with the special edition haul from Bombshell Sportswear.
Something that I see in you, I like that you know it too, the way that you do what you do.
So I had no idea that Bombshell was into Boxing Day. And a lot of people were talking about they were waiting for different Boxing Day sales and things like that. But I had no idea Bombshell had one. So I get this email, Boxing Day sale. I'm like, oh no, what a way to wake up, right? So yes, we are doing a special edition haul. So of course I haven't gotten these items yet, but I just want you all to see what I'm excited about getting. So without further ado, let's go down the list. Number 1, the Uplift Leggings. I have these in papaya already, and they look so amazing on me. I also have them in spiced chai, which also look pretty good. So I figured, why not use this opportunity to get a couple of more colors in a style that just really looks good. So what I got were latte and crystal blue. I'm really starting to love the more flesh tone colors, so latte was definitely an instant choice. Plus it goes with more things. If I want to interchange tops more, it's easier to match up versus a loud color like the crystal blue. However, something about those electric blues just looks so good on the lower half. Ladies, let me know in the comments if you agree. So yes, I had to add a couple of more to my collection. Number 2, the straight up legging in baby blue. Now I already have these in black and what other color? It's a pinkish color. I forget the name that they call it, but it's pink. You'll see they only come in 4 colors. So I got the baby blue. There is this earthy purpley, this orchid lilac color that they have, but I'm going to hold off on that one only because I have another pair of pants from a different brand that is similar in color. So I don't think it warranted the purchase at this point. But yes, the straight up legging fits so nicely. It's like the perfect combination between a regular legging and a yoga pant. It's got the flare leg, and it hugs the thighs in all the right places, and the waistband is not doing the most like, a lot of Bombshell can. So yes, I'm excited about getting another pair of the straight up leggings. Number 3, the Edgy long line bra. This cut is so beautiful. I already have it in red, so I took this opportunity to get it also in charcoal and in purple. What's the purple color? What's the name? Let me look at my cheat sheet. Purple Rain. So yeah, I was close enough. Purple Rain. So it's the same color, if I'm not mistaken, as the Adore Sports Bra, which is the only color I don't have in that one is the purple. So I figure instead of having 3 of the same top, I get more of another top of a cut that I really like that I only have 1 of. So yes, that is another one I am excited about. Number 4, the Mood Sports Bra in teal camo. I don't know why they don't bring more items out in camo. Those camo prints are awesome. I absolutely love them. So I don't have a Mood Sports Bra in another color because I think they only come in black and white otherwise. And I don't really want a plain colored sports bra, any more of those. But I meant to get the teal camo during the Black Friday sale. And for some reason, I forgot to add it to my cart. So I remembered this time. Yes. So it's added to my collection. And last but not least, number 5, the Barbell Leggings in black and in mauve. Now I already have them in red, and I did a video on that one you can find on this channel, and my husband absolutely loved these on me. So yes, I had to get these in the other 2 colors that they come in, because why not, right? If you get hubby seal of approval, you have to get every color. That's just the rule of marriage. But I also agree, I do like how that red pair fit. And again, I'm really liking the earthy tones, and I don't have any really good black leggings except for a couple of pair, but they're like the voluptuous legging and the, what is this? The one that matches this top I have on right now. What is this? Statement. The statement legging, but I don't really have a lot of black leggings. So the barbell legging is going to be great for just being an understated legging that doesn't have a whole lot of detail. So I'm really looking forward to those. Also, I sized up in leggings. I now order size medium. Yes. Typically, I'm a size small, but honestly, the legs are just getting a little too tight for me. And as I am in the process of bulking, they're only going to get bigger. So that said, I am now purchasing size mediums. So stay tuned for a video of how the small compares to the medium. But let me know, what are you getting for the Boxing Day sale? I could not wait to hop on and let you all know what I'm excited about getting. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, my name is Margarita the Perfumista, just like it is here on YouTube. And until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.
Something that I see in you. I like that you know it too.